India is leading the global fight against COVID-19. While its multi-layered approach against the pandemic has helped it contain the infection rate at home, the vaccines produced in India are curing the world. Millions of doses have already been airlifted to several countries in South Asia and other parts of the world, making India a savior in times of crisis.
Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, the Maldives, Bhutan and the Himalayan nation Nepal. The countries across South Asia and many other parts of the world have received millions of Made in India vaccine doses to begin their immunization programs. This comes as New Delhi has rolled out a two-pronged strategy to save its own citizens and the people across the world from the deadly pandemic. Over 5 million doses were flown this week to different parts of the world, with millions set to be transported in coming days. India, popular as the pharmacy of the world, has already agreed to supply more than 1 billion coronavirus vaccines to various countries and to the World Health Organization-backed COVAX initiative aimed at supporting poorer countries. Observers say that many low-income countries that have launched their immunization programs would have been waiting for aid or were bargaining for prices had it not been New Delhi that exported vaccines, most of which have been free till date just 4 days after its domestic immunization began. The Himalayan nation of Nepal launched its largest immunization campaign with its first coronavirus vaccination for medical workers following a gift of 1 million doses from New Delhi.
हामीले छिटै नै यस खोपको सुरुवात गर्ने मौका पायौं। यसका निम्ति हाम्रो छिमेकी मित्र राष्ट्र भारत सरकार, भारतका जनता र खास गरी महामहिम प्रधानमन्त्री नरेन्द्र मोदीजी प्रति म धन्यवाद भन्न चाहन्छु कि उहाँहरूले आफूले सुरु गरेको हप्ता दिनभित्रै जसो हामीले सुरु गर्न सक्ने गरी हामीलाई 10 लाख डोज उपलब्ध गराउनु भएको छ, त्यही पनि डोनेसनमा।
The safety and immunogenicity of India-produced vaccines received a major acknowledgement when Brazil asked for its over-Chinese vaccines, which they say have the efficacy of just 50%. New Delhi itself has launched the world's biggest immunization program of inoculating 300 million people in next 6 months. The international community, from the United Nations to the USA, believes that India has been at the forefront in fighting the pandemic and preventing an even worse crisis the deadly disease could have afflicted. While it is currently manufacturing 2 vaccines, the AstraZeneca Oxford vaccine and one developed by the Indian pharmaceutical firm Bharat Biotech, 3 other Indian companies are close to wrapping up development of their own vaccines.
अभी तो सिर्फ 2 मेड इन इंडिया कोरोना वैक्सीन दुनिया में आई हैं। आने वाले समय में कई और वैक्सीन भारत से बनकर के आने वाली है। ये वैक्सीन्स दुनिया के देशों को और ज्यादा बड़े स्केल पर, ज्यादा स्पीड से मदद करने में ये पूरी तरह सहायता करेगी।
While many countries across the world are still reeling under the pandemic, India has contained the spread of the infections, with 20% of its region not reporting even a single case in the last few days. With all preventive measures in place, the life of the market seems to have returned, with the country projected to rebound on the losses it accrued during the crisis. The International Monetary Fund says India will be the only country in the world in the next 1 year to register a double-digit growth rate. Experts say that it won't be an overstatement if India is labelled as the country that has managed the crisis best in the world thus far.